Hi, this is Nate Charles, founder and managing partner of Charles Legal Services, back with another educational video. So at Charles Legal Services, we're going to have you fill out a lot of forms. There's really no way around it. We need to tell a complete and accurate story of your life in order to get the best result from the United States Citizenship and Immigration Service. That is by far the best way to handle things with them. Be honest, be complete, and be precise. That takes a lot of data collection. Um, and so there's really no way around it. We got to have you fill out a lot of forms so we can collect that data and do right by you. Okay. When you first sign an engagement letter with Charles Legal Services for an immigration case, you're going to probably get a checklist that looks something like what I've got here. It's most likely going to be in a PDF format, and it's going to contain hyperlinks at the top to basic questionnaires that you need to fill out in order for Charles Legal Services to have the information necessary to complete your application. Okay. Now, in this one, you can see this is our I-589 checklist. This is a checklist that corresponds to an application for asylum or withholding of removal. And there's several different questionnaires associated with this process. Now, each one of these hyperlinks corresponds to a form. And to access this form in English, all you'd have to do is click on this hyperlink and it'll pull up the questionnaire in your web browser. Now, I'm going to do that right now. Click on the hyperlink, and this is what pops up in your web browser. This is our English language questionnaire. But if you want to translate this into your native language, it's actually pretty easy. All you have to need to do is go back to the checklist. You want to highlight the hyperlink. Instead of just clicking on it, you want to highlight it, and then you want to copy it. Copy link location. Or you just hit Control-C on your keyboard. That'll do it too. Then you want to go back to your web browser. You want to pull up Google. And you want to say Google Translate. Perfect. Google Translate. Now, what first pops up when you type Google Translate into your normal Google screen is you'll get this like inline translating tool, this little translation widget. This is pretty great if you just want to do some quick translation of some text. But unfortunately, what I'm about to show you won't work on this particular screen. What you need to do is come down here and go into the full version of Google Translate. It happened to be the first search result to come up. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to come into Google Translate. So you got two boxes here. The one on the left here is English. And all you need to do is paste the hyperlink to the Google form into this box. Okay. And then you want to come over here. The box on the right is the result. Okay. You can click down here. You'll see a list of all the languages that are available. A lot of my clients are either speak Dari, which is a dialect of Persian, or they speak Pashto. So I'm going to use Pashto for purposes of this demonstration. But you can see right here, it's taking this entire link, and rather than just translating this text, it is going to translate the entire target of that hyperlink, the Google form itself, and translate the entire thing into Pashto. So at this point, you can just click on this link that's in the translation box. It'll take you to the English questionnaire, and it'll automatically translate it into Pashto, which is incredibly helpful. At this point, you can go ahead and fill it out in your own language, and it'll upload the data into our client management system in whatever form you input it. And then we can translate it back to upload the proper data into your applications and make sure that it gets to USCIS in a form that's going to be readable and useful, accurate, and complete for USCIS. That's pretty much it. It's a relatively simple process. Thanks to Google for inventing such a user-friendly technology. It does the trick. This QR code over here to my right, to your left, will take you to our website. From there, you can grab our contact information. If you've got any questions or concerns about this process, as a client of Charles Legal Services, we'll more than happy to set up a time to meet with you over Zoom or in person, whatever you're more comfortable with. But we will find a way to get this done together. We're here for you every step of the way. Once again, my name is Nathan Charles. I'm the founder and managing partner of Charles Legal Services. Feel free to visit our website, www.charleslegalservices.com, to schedule a consultation. More than happy to work with you. More than happy to help you on this immigration journey. Thank you.